Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Eventbrite how to add tags. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adding tags in Eventbrite helps your event more discoverable on Eventbrite's platform and search engines. In order to add tags in Eventbrite, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Eventbrite. Now once you're inside the homepage of the Eventbrite, simply log into your account with your Eventbrite credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then you will be seeing a drop down menu. Simply select option that says manage my events. Then once you're inside your events, what you need to do is select your event from your event dashboard. Then click on the basic info option under the edit section. Then once that's done, scroll down to find the tag field. Then Eventbrite allows you to add up to 10 tags. Then type in the keywords that describe your event, example music, networking, etc. Then once done, press enter after each tag. Now scroll down and click save or continue to make your tags are saved. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.